I took a firm decision when I took over. I said that we must stop extrajudicial killing in Kenya. I took that firm position, and I did not just say it, I took steps. Nikasema the operational budget, the financial independence of the national police must be removed from the office of the president, ipelekwe kwa inspector general, so that the police service, being an independent institution, can make independent decisions on investigations, on prosecution, and on maintaining the rule of law. Mine and my administration is to provide policy. And we have made it absolutely clear that any criminality must be investigated, whether undertaken by citizens or criminals or undertaken by the police. It must be investigated, and we must get to the bottom of any criminal activity in Kenya. That is my direction, and I will repeat it again. That will be the way we are going to run the affairs of our nation. And anybody in breach must live with the consequences of the law. And the law must apply not in a selective manner, to keep everybody on the right side of the law. Because the rule of law is what underwrites our democracy. Kwa hivyo, hiyo ndio kazi ambayo lazima iendelee. Na hatuwezi kurudi nyuma pale mahali Wakenya walikuwa wanapatikana ati kwa mito wameuawa. Wakenya sijui 30 na ngapi kule Yala, Wakenya sijui ngapi 20 na ngapi kule Tana, sijui wapi, sijui tuko na containers, Wakenya wanauawa wanapelekwa kwa National Park. That will not happen under my administration.